Hi friends, this is your A Nurser. Today I have come up with some new problems from your chapter Exponents and Powers. From your chapter Exponents and Powers for class 8th students. For class 8th students. Exercise number 4.2, page number 104. Exercise number 4.2, page number 104. So your first problem reads like this. Express the following in standard form. Express the following in standard form. So express the following in standard form. So this is your first sum. 0.000000947. Clear? So it is very difficult to spell this. It is very difficult to spell this. So we can convert this into a standard form. What is that? In place of these zeros, we write it as some multiple of 10. We write it as some multiple of 10. How? Now this is a decimal number. It is very clear. This is a decimal number. Now the count, the places, decimal places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many are there? 12. So, because this is a decimal number, in the denominator we have 10 to the power of 12. In the denominator we have what? 10 to the power of 12. Why 10 to the power of 12? Because after decimal, you have 12 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can remove these zeros. 9, 47 by 10 to the power of 12. Clear? So 947 means what you can write? 9.47 into 10 square. Why 10 square? Because after two places you have decimal by 10 to the power of 12. By 10 to the power of 12. So now you have the loss of exponents. What? Same base. 10 square by 10 to the power of 12. What you have to take? You have a formula. What is that? A to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. A to the power of m minus n. So what it will happen? 9.47 into 10 to the power of 2 minus 12. 2 minus 12. What is the value of 2 minus 12? Minus 10. 9 to the power of 47 into 10 to the power of minus 10. So this is the value of 9 following, point 0000, so many zeros, 947 is equal to what? 9.47 into 10 to the power of minus 10. Once again I am explaining. Now you have to count these decimal places. How many decimal places are there? 12. Clear? So in the denominator you have to take 10 to the power of 12. Because this is in the numerator, you have 947. Because you have 947 in the numerator. You should write it 9.47. To write it 9.47, you have to multiply by 10 square. So what you get? 9.47 into 10 square by 10 to the power of 12. Because these two have same base, 10. So you have a formula. What is that? A to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So what you get? 10 to the power of 2 minus 12. 2 minus 12 means what? Minus 10. So the value is 9.47 into 10 to the power of minus 10. Clear? So now here you have one more question. B. 543, it follows by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. How many zeros? 9 zeros. After 543, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can write this number as what? 543 into 10 to the power of, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 to the power of 9. So we do not write 543. For this what we write? 5.43. 5.43. 5.43 means what? Into 10 square. Into 10 square. Into 10 to the power of 9. Here 10 square, 10 to the power of 9. These two have same base. What you should do? You should add the powers. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So 5.43 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 9 how much? 11. 2 plus 9 how much? 11. So your 543 following 9 zeros is equal to how much? 5.43 into 10 to the power of 11. I think you understood how to do this. Now let us have one more example. 483. How many zeros are there? 5 zeros are there. After 483, how many zeros are there? 5. So instead of doing in 2 steps, let us do in 1 step only. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 4, we take a decimal point. After 4, here we take a decimal point. So how many places are there? From back you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 means 7 to the power, 10 to the power of 7. So 4.83 into 10 to the power of 7. How you got 10 to the power of 7 here? Just you count up to your 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 places means what? 10 to the power of 7. So this 483 becomes 4.83. 4.83 into 10 to the power of 7. So now you have one more example like this. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the numerator or denominator? In the denominator. Why? Because this is a decimal number. So 9.298 into 10 to the power of decimal 1.1234 that means 10 to the power of minus 5. Understood? Just you count up to 9. Because after 9 you take decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 to the power of minus 5. Why minus 5? Because this is a decimal number. Because this is a decimal number and you shift your decimal to how many places? 5 places towards right. When you move the decimal place towards right, you have minus. When you move the decimal place towards left, you have plus. So let us do one more. What is this? 0.0000529. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And after 5 you should have the decimal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5.29 into 10 to the power of minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 5. I think you understood. So like this, if any big number is given, you can change those numbers into standard form. So tomorrow again I come up with some new lesson. Till then, have a nice day and thank you for watching my video.